there is a problem in Jharkhand. Like, I recently I'm seeing a lot of mining companies are entering on the Jharkhand and mining all the jungles. They're destroying all the jungles. I feel very sad for that, because I think that Jharkhand is always known for its nature, its jungle. This mountain, and it is also known as Chota Nagpur. Beautiful.
Chota Nagpur Plateau.
Yeah, that's a beautiful name. But look, what the government is doing here, that's not so good. I think government should take a step on it, like, because this is very bad thing happening, and especially the tribal people will suffer this, because their livelihood depends on the jungle.
If I talk about the mines of India, we know that mostly people we know that 70% mines belong to Jharkhand.
Right.
But if we visit any mine site, we can see there are more than 90% people belong to South area. Being a Jharkhandi, why government should not hire Jharkhand people in their mines?
Right. This should be done. And look, for the workers, they also hire companies also hire workers from other states. So this is also the thing of concern. Like, if Jharkhand people get a job there, then their livelihood can be improved, and they can better their life. So, and we can also, so by this, the government can also reduce the problem of lack of job and the unemployment.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Firstly, may I know your name, please?
Yes, this side Vikas. What's your?
This side Muhammad Shahid Razvi.
Okay.
I think I have seen you before. Your face is something look like one of my friends.
All right.
Really, if I show you a face of one of my friend, he's totally likes you.
Okay.
You can't believe if someone is how much he look like you.
Okay, I would like to see that. Do you have the photo?
Yes, yes.
Can you
but
show me that?
After some time, I will WhatsApp you.
Okay. That's interesting to know.
Where are you from, sir?
I'm from Bariatu.
Bariatu.
Yes.
In which district?
Latehar district.
Latehar district.
Yes.
It is a very popular district in according to Naxal areas.
It was right.
And currently, we heard about tiger news that comes in the forest of Latehar towards the Hazaribagh National Park. Okay. Have you heard about this news?
Well, I don't have heard any type of news. I'm hearing this for the first time. But where you get to know about this?
I know towards the Hazaribagh, Johar Hazaribagh.
Okay.
Because I am a subscriber of Johar Hazaribagh, that's why I get these types of news.
Okay.
And also I love nature so much. That's why I.
Oh, that's great. Yeah. Where are you from, by the way?
I'm a proper localite of Chirgaon Hazaribagh.
Chirgaon Hazaribagh.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So you are a proper resident. Then you must be knowing about the popular place.
Yes, there are so many popular places. Not only to tourist place, like some of the most historical place like a Padma Kila.
Okay.
It is very popular place in Hazaribagh. It's belong to a kings of Hazaribagh and family belong to a Saurabh Narayan Singh, who was the previous MLA of Hazaribagh.
Mm-hmm. That's great, because I have heard this for the first time, and that's interesting to know. All right.
What are you doing, sir, right now?
Well, I recently passed my 12th.
In which stream?
From DEVANGANA school, Hazaribagh itself.
Xavier's?
No, DAV.
Yeah,
okay. That's it. And I don't actually, this time I don't have any future plan for me, but I'm learning whatever I'm interested to, like speaking English itself, right?
Being a student of DAV, why did you join English Cafe? For better English enhancement?
Okay, these are English schools, all knows, but you also know that this is the fact that many students don't know many students don't know how to speak English.
I know most of people know English very well, but they are not able to speak in publicly just because of fear, hesitation.
Yes.
That's maybe a reason.
Yes.
So what's your aim?
My aim, look, right now I don't have any specific aim. I'm just finding that if something I find that is interesting for me, then I will continue on that, right? Earlier I was very much a study type person. I was in the beginning I was studying a lot, but gradually with the time I lost my interest on a study. So this time I'm confused that I don't want to go on the same path. Like if I choose something and if it happens that again I lost my interest, then it will be a disaster for me. I don't want to repeat those things again. That's why I'm just taking a little time to just to find what is the things that can be in which I can be involved myself.
You mentioned that your statement.
Yeah.
You lost your attention towards
Study. Yeah.
So what's the reason?
What's the reason? Well, even I can't say the exact reason, but some reason I can say that maybe the teachers were not so good as I expected, or and more things like maybe
Something also depend on you. Teacher is not it not depend on what his teacher say. Sometimes 50%
Yes, yeah.
it depend on you. How can you tackle this? How can you understand their words?
Yes, so the same thing I'm saying, that the teachers also, not only the teachers I'm blaming them, I'm also saying that that there would be some lack on me, like maybe after 10th jumping into 12th, coming into 11th, the syllabus totally changed. The syllabus get totally changed, so that maybe because of that I might find that is becoming hard for me to study that type of concepts, right? The hard concept, maybe I would not be able to understand those concepts. That's why maybe I lost the interest. I think.
You said that you belong to a Latehar district, okay?
Yes, yeah.
And as we know that Latehar is basically known for their tribes, their like of foods, like of education. They only live in forest and they totally depend on forest just because they are selling woods, selling leaves. How can you uplift that people?
Well, in terms you said about the food and the malnutrition. Well, I don't think about that. There is this kind of situation there because I have when I see the people around in my village, they are well healthier because all the foods are available there. And talking about the education, yes, I'm also concerned about the education because still it is the problem in Jharkhand that many many where the tribal people lives, in that type of places there is no proper availability of education system, right? But right now there are few schools are opening, but they are private schools, right? So that's the problem. But I think that education is improving, but it's very slow, right? In education, yes, I agree with your words that you said that in education, how that their education is lower there. But you mentioned the food problem, the malnutrition. In my opinion would be like I don't that they are not really so that suffering from malnutrition. They have enough food there.